To activate and use kit mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Samsung Kit or Kit. And then tap Kit to start activating this app. By default, the option to add this app to your app screen is enabled, so you can easily access the app from the app screen. Tap Continue. If needed, you can swipe the screen to the left or right to read some explanation about this app. Tap Continue to continue the process. A pop-up appears to ask you whether or not you allow the notification. You can tap allow or don't allow. As you can see, now Kids mode is activated and you can see some made for kids apps. You have to download the app before you can use the app. However, while you are in the kit mode, you can do some customization by tapping more icon. And then you can use the available option to fit with your need. As the example, you can change the wallpaper, set emergency contact, adjust parental control option, and else. To close the kit mode, tap the back key and then enter your current screen lock or use your biometric. Once you are done activating and customizing Kids app, you can open this app by going to the app screen, find Kids app, and then tap it. Now you can hand your phone to your kids. As a note, Kids mode is designed to provide a safe and fun environment for children to use the device by providing child-friendly content, manageable screen time, and activity monitoring, and else. However, if the limit you set for this day is over, there will be a notification said that the time is up and your kid will not be able to use the phone except you increase the limit. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.